Excuse me, Senator Joel. Sinasabi mo, meron kang screenshot ng conversation mo with Senator Joel?
Pinapicturan po sa akin
Sino kausap ni Senator Joel?
CDA Henry po.
Chairman, hindi po screenshot. Ang screenshot, it has to be your phone. So,
Ano ko na, the screenshot or photo is a faithful reproduction, Your Honor. Huh? Either is a photo or photo screen, screen photo, screenshot photo, shot screen, whatever it is, Your Honor, that is a faithful reproduction. Huh? Is this a senator or an idiot one? They say this is Lord, but ba't siya ganyan? I really disagree, Your Honor. The photo, screenshot, shot, screen, Photoshop, shot photo, whatever it is, Your Honor, that is a faithful reproduction. I move